Meet the 2026 Kawasaki KLX230S, Kawasaki's latest answer to the all-rounder dual sport scene. In this video, we'll dig into its design, performance, quirks, and whether it's truly a do-everything machine. Under the skin lies a 233cc air-cooled single-cylinder, SOHC 4-stroke engine, with Kawasaki's DFI fuel injection, the same basic architecture found across the KLX230 line. For 2026, Kawasaki claims about 17 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 18 Nm of torque at 6,400 RPM. Not blazing fast, but tuned for accessible, usable torque rather than top-end chasing. It pairs to a 6-speed gearbox and a sealed chain drive, solid, simple and reliable. Where the KLX230S excels is in its balance between road and off-road. There are two variants, the KLX230S and the KLX230S ABS, both with seat heights of 33.3 inches, 846 mm. The frame is a high-tensile steel perimeter type. Ground clearance is a healthy 9.4 inches, 234 mm. Wheels are classic dual sport sizes, 21 inches front, 18 in rear. Brakes: 265 mm pedal front, 220 mm pedal rear. Its upright ergonomics and manageable weight of 125 kg make it forgiving in traffic or twisty backroads. Front suspension 37 mm telescopic fork with 200 mm travel, is paired with a rear uni-track linkage system and single shock with adjustable spring preload 223 mm travel. On moderate trails, loose gravel, rutted fire roads, it competes respectably. But it won't match full enduro bikes in extreme terrain. You'll want to pick your lines, work the clutch, and keep momentum up. Kawasaki adds modern touches. Smartphone connectivity via the Radiology app on the digital dash, allowing trip info, diagnostics, etc. The design language leans rugged and functional rather than full race style. Overall, it balances minimalism with utility, enough features for daily use without extra weight or complexity. In the US, Kawasaki has set the MSRP at about $5,199 United States dollars for the S version. The ABS version is slightly higher, about $5,499 United States dollars. As for the Philippines or India, no official pricing yet, but we can hazard estimates. If Kawasaki brings it in the Philippines, ballpark could be between 200,000 to 250,000 pesos or more depending on local markup. In India, with homologation, localization, and GST plus dealer overhead, maybe 350,000 rupees or higher if positioned as an aspirational premium dual sport.